The 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as cruise control, leather upholstery, voice-activated navigation, a power rear cargo door, and a blind spot monitoring system. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 19 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.